This is the second of 3 videos about analysing your movie. Now that you have your movie set up, you should find your starting point. That's not always at the beginning of the video. In this case, we're looking to see where the starter here starts the race. So we'll move backwards and forwards until we're sure we've got the right place. Then we're going to need to choose where our racer starts. And so we're going to set the origin for the racer. Often in sprinting, judges use the middle of the chest there, so I'm going to choose that as my starting point. And down now I'm going to sync the movie so that this is time 0. Now that I've got my movie set, I'm going to start to mark the points. To speed this up, it can be helpful to make your movie go forward more than 1 frame at a time. This makes it a little bit quicker and makes your data a little bit smoother. In this case, I'm going to use 2 frames. If you've got a longer video, you might wish to choose more frames. And now what I'm going to do is mark the point, so select the point and then mark point that we're going to use for our start, and we'll notice that each time we click, the frame moves on a little bit. At first we're not moving very fast, but as time goes on we'll see the data gone. You'll notice that I'm marking the points along the axis here because I'm just interested in the horizontal motion. You can mark the points right on the object if you want. It takes a little while to do this, but it's worth taking your time over so that you get good data later on. During this video you'll notice that the camera pans a little bit. The person holding the camera didn't have it quite still. That means that our data isn't going to be very good. If you have a video like this, you might want to consider retaking it before you analyze it so that you make sure that you get really good data. We'll keep moving on through until the end. Sometimes it's quite difficult to estimate where the chest is as the arm moves across in front of it. We will just make our best estimate. Looks like we've reached top speed at the end here. We're going to keep marking points all the way through to the end. So that we have our set of data. Now we've entered most of the data, there's one final thing that we need to do, which is to set the scale here. For this we need to have an object of a known size in the same plane as we're measuring. In this case, I know that my starter is 1.63 meters tall, so I can use that value. My data is now collected, so I'll be ready to analyze in the 3rd video.